What is up? My name's Ty. I like anything with throttle and some things without, and on this episode we're going to fix the factory rake to this Jeep Gladiator. So this is the 2023 Jeep Gladiator Rubicon. So it does have the 33-inch tires, which means it has a little bit of a lift and the higher fenders in the front, but as you can see, the back has that factory raker. So we're going to fix that today so it sits level. So the way we're going to do that is with this leveling kit from Teraflex. This is a 1.5 inch puck setup. It comes with a 1 inch and then a 1/2 inch that you can stack on top that will go on top of the coil spring. And the reason why they do this is so that if you anticipate having heavier loads in the back often, then run with the 1 inch, because then the weight will keep it level. But if you don't run with a lot of loads, then you can lift up a half inch more and it will level the whole ride height. So it comes with 2 sets there for each side, and then it also comes with bump stop extensions and then the necessary bolts for that. So shouldn't be too difficult, so let's give it a try. Heavier than many. Okay, so I've installed the pucks and they're just kind of loose here. Put the spring back on. I've installed the bump stop. It just took a bolt down there and it was a little tricky to get it up under on this side. The driver's side was no problem. Seat the shocks into these perches, and then I'm going to lower or raise the axle back into place. Make sure I adjust these as it goes up so that those little nipples go up into there, and then we'll get the shocks back on. Alright, got her buttoned up and down on the ground. How's she look? The only problem now is I think I need 35s. This is supposed to be budget. That's why Jeeps are money pits. It keeps going. But we're gonna run it this way for a while. So if you're thinking about doing a leveling kit, it's really not that hard. I'm no expert. This took me about 2.5 hours, and I could have been more efficient had I not had a few little glitches, like my track bar kind of got stuck down because I didn't pull it out of the way. So that's a pro tip. Make sure it's out of the way before you lift the springs up, because I had to drop it back down, pull the shocks back off. So that burned a little time, but ultimately it really didn't take too long. And you know, it's just a simple leveling kit, and I'll do full suspension some point down the road, but I want to keep this one as factory as possible while I'm building the buggy. So stay tuned for more of this build and more of that build, and make sure you hit that like, subscribe, and the notification bell to get notified of all future videos. And until next time, feel your passion.